Some say that our planet's history can be divided into two eras, before Google and after Google. But more accurately, it can be divided into three: before the asteroid, after the asteroid, and during the asteroid. Because let's face it, the asteroid that killed the dinosaurs didn't just kill the dinosaurs. It also gave rise to some major changes in our understanding of the world around us. For example, scientists used to think that the end of the Cretaceous period, when the asteroid slammed into Earth, was just a bad time to be alive if you were a dinosaur. But recent research suggests that the asteroid impact may have actually been a really great thing for some species, including our fishy ancestors. So to separate the facts from the fiction, here are the real science-based theories about how the asteroid that killed the dinosaurs actually helped to create the world we live in today. Just after the asteroid struck, there would have been a short but intense period of global devastation. We know that because of the geological record, which shows a layer of sediment at the end of the Cretaceous period that contains a bunch of iridium. Iridium is an element that is rare on Earth, but relatively common in space. And since asteroids are made of space stuff, this spike in iridium in the fossil record is pretty good evidence that an asteroid had slammed into the planet. We also know that this asteroid had an immediate impact on life on Earth because there is also a thin layer of tektite-rich sediment right above the iridium layer. Tektites are small, glassy objects that form when rock is superheated and then rapidly cools. And we know that they form during the impact event because they contain shocked quartz, which forms only under extreme pressure and temperature, like what you'd experience when an asteroid slams into the planet. But after this initial devastation, things get kind of murky. Scientists don't agree on exactly how the asteroid impacted life on land and in the oceans, mainly because different groups of organisms were affected in different ways. For example, while the impact wiped out most species of large land animals or dinosaurs, it wasn't quite the extinction event that we might think of today, like with the dodo bird, where one single species went extinct. Instead, it caused mass extinctions within multiple groups of animals, especially at the end of the Cretaceous period. This is why scientists now prefer the term Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event, because it acknowledges that the extinction wasn't just for the dinosaurs, and it wasn't just at the end of the Cretaceous period. But for a long time, scientists assumed that all creatures, great and small, were negatively affected by the asteroid. But recent research suggests that it may have been a boon for early mammals and our fishy ancestors. So while the asteroid that led to the extinction of the dinosaurs is obviously a major extinction event in Earth's history, it wasn't universally terrible. In fact, it might have been great for some species, including ours. This is our channel.